All you need to do, it's 2 simple steps. 1, hook up your credit report. 2, let the AI do the rest, and it'll begin deleting negative items off your credit report. You don't.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh! Hey man, I didn't see that one coming, but I guess we still doing this shit. First of all, there is not 2 steps to any process. Ain't no just hook up your credit report, and watch the AI start deleting items. The AI don't delete a damn thing. The AI will hopefully, at least with this particular software, go look through your credit report, find the negative items, and then utilize some sort of template, because this is a templated DIY credit repair service. There is no mistaking that. So there's not a whole lot of AI involved, except for the fact that it will read the credit report and decide what dispute to send with it. Other than that, you're going to get a templated dispute with this software. Now, to address the deletions factor, these softwares don't have the power to delete anything. They're just going to send in a request for investigation or reinvestigation into the items to see if they are being incompletely, unfairly, untimely, inaccurately, or invalidly reported. Invalidly, I don't think that is even a word. But if they're not valid while being reported, the FCRA and FDCPA only allow for the investigation of the items on the credit report. They do not delete anything.